The moment I looked at this cue card, it took me back to my childhood. कितनी गेम्स खेलते थे, क्या क्या पजल्स करते थे, एंड ऑफ कोर्स दैट वाज अ वंडरफुल मोमेंट. सो गाइस, आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यू कार्ड, डिस्क्राइब अ पजल यू हैव प्लेड. But before we discuss this cue card, do not forget to subscribe this channel to get all the updates of our future videos, because this channel is going to be very resourceful in your IELTS preparation. So quickly start करते हैं without wasting enough time. Cue card, describe a puzzle you have played. What is it like? How easy or difficult it is? How long it takes you to solve it, and how you feel about it. So before we discuss about this cue card, I would tell you one more important thing, that watch this video till the end, because we are going to discuss the best sample answer as an idea which you can use in your IELTS exam. So start करते हैं discussion. The most important thing is to develop a journal idea, because the examiner gives you 1 minute to plan your cue card, and that 1 minute is particularly important for you to plan it effectively. Structure your cue card in that 1 minute and utilize that time very properly. So how to develop journal idea? Let us discuss. Unscrambling puzzles is one of the best brain games which improves concentration, memory and intelligence. Like this, we can use also one other statement. There is a huge variety of toys and puzzles available in the toy market these days. Out of these, puzzles such as jigsaw puzzles, Sudokus and Rubik's cubes are quite popular. We can also use sentences like children and youngsters are irresistibly drawn towards, that means they are attracted towards such mental puzzles. They tend to buy them often because of their interesting moves, steps, as well as attractive colors and shapes. So this is how we can start our cue card with any of these journal ideas, and then let's learn some vocabulary words to develop this cue card effectively so that you can present it with beautiful vocabulary. Perfect leisure time activity, you can say that is a perfect leisure time activity. It bursts out stress and also gives me quality time to spend. I got acquainted about it. I came across about in a newspaper, if it is a crossword or a Sudoku, or else I just saw it in a toy shop when I visited the mall, when I visited the market. Fascination for the game. Why do you feel attracted towards that game? You can say I have a great fascination for the game because of many reasons, like it's witty and funny scrambling, if it is jigsaw puzzles, or difficult challenges you get, if it's a crossword or a Sudoku, or else it's a Rubik's cube, then brainstorming challenge or brainstorming exercise you get out of it. And then talking about its difficult level, you can go ahead by talking that it's not a child's play, it's very challenging. You require intelligence, concentration and meticulous, that is very careful attention to even minute things. Then talking about your feelings, you can use words like great zeal. I am very zealous about this game. I have immense interest in playing and solving Rubik's cube or solving puzzles and connecting the pieces of jigsaw, and I can't stop myself at its sight. So it's incredible. It's a race against the clock, and you can say you time it properly, you challenge your timelines, and rather than those slow paced activities which are dull and boring. So this is the journal idea and vocabulary which you can use as a storehouse for your cue card. But do not miss to watch the model answer which is going to come now. There is a huge variety of toys and puzzles available in the toy market these days. Toy companies across the world always focus on reinventing new ideas to attract children as well as youngsters. Out of these, puzzles such as jigsaw puzzles, Sudokus and Rubik's cubes are quite popular. Unscrambling puzzles is one of the best brain games which improves concentration, memory and intelligence. Children and youngsters are irresistibly drawn towards such mental puzzles. They tend to buy them often because of their interesting moves and steps, as well as attractive colors and shapes. Here I would mention a puzzle game I have often played in my childhood, that is Sudoku, which is also known as crossword. It's an interesting educational game to learn language in a fun way. It encourages me to enhance my vocabulary with the help of witty cues and clues. I like this game because it's a perfect leisure time activity to race against the clock, and usually I solve it in less than 20 minutes. It contains difficult challenges related to language. I always play it setting a particular time target for myself. I find it relatively better than those slow-paced activities which are monotonous and make you dull. So that's all about this cue card, and I hope you are not going to have a dull journey in presenting this cue card because you have a lot of words and ideas to present it. So stay tuned with us, stay connected, do subscribe this channel and also press the little bell icon to get more of such valuable and productive videos. Bye-bye.